We all want 4G speeds and 5G speeds, but we oppose mobile towers. So what's the final word on this
So,
on this radiation debate?
correct. So the short answer is that there is no association between mobile radiation and cancer. Number one. But there is association of mobile usage with other mental disorders and other cognitive disorders. Let us not forget that for me, using the cell phone close to your head and giving electromagnetic radiation like a microwave to the ear and everything will have a disaster. Cut down on the mobile use not because you
So,
want.
doctor, the problem is here. The problem is
Correct,
not on the
not
tower.
our.
Yeah.
So the problem is that there are people who are using alcohol and smoking and areca nut and eating a pizza while they are doing it. This mobile tower is dangerous.